Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the Build a Graveyard die set. Now this is a large die set. It includes 20 dies, 8 headstones, 2 gates with the post, 3 bats, 2 skulls, 2 cats, and the little rest in peace placard that cuts the shape out and embosses that rest in peace details. So the headstones on the top are just going to cut the shape, while the headstones down here below are going to cut out an outline, as you'll see in just a few seconds. I want to give you some quick measurements. This largest headstone you see there, 3¼ inches high. That gives you an idea of how big these pieces are. Now the smallest cat is 1¾ inches. The smallest headstone is about 1¾ inches. So these are a really good size. You can do a little bit of partial die cutting with these and create some really cute headstone cards that could be used for table settings or your buffet table. Just lots of fun ideas with this set. And the possibilities really are endless with it. I created a shaker card with this set already, and I have a sample of that to share with you. So here's the shaker card. I added some black confetti to it, but I also die cut out the skulls and added in there. Now here's a card that I just used some of the pieces to add details to my slimline card. I actually have a tutorial of this available for you. It's linked at the end of this video. Be sure you check that out. We really appreciate you joining us. Be sure to click that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.